What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. Not exactly the way I was expecting to start the new year, but yes, guys, we're going to have to start off the new year with a massive downgrade on the SoFi stock. That's exactly what happened towards the end of the day and the after hours. We saw the stock start to sell off. And yes, guys, today the overall market had another pullback, which is very strange because, the tax harvesting should have been done, a couple of days ago, but we're seeing a lot of selling first day of the trading year. Looks to me like a lot of algorithmic computer algos selling. Nothing to be worried about. We need a lot of stocks to cool off. Market makers could be cooling off some of the options that ran off on some of the Bitcoin miners and stuff like that. Mega caps are still up massively. But overall, we're going to, really be looking at the SoFi stock to see if this downgrade makes sense right now. So if you find any information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, guys. Let's try and get the video to 1,000 likes. Don't forget to drop a comment. What do you think about this downgrade right now? We're going to get into it. Let's get it. All right, guys. As you can see, SoFi Technology is down 3%. Believe it or not, guys, this was holding up pretty nicely compared to other fintechs. We might look at them inside of this video. There was multiple other fintechs down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9%. So SoFi was holding up pretty solid. And then boom, guys, we've seen this happen. If you've been following me for a long time on the YouTube channel, we have seen this happen 20 to 30 times over the past 2 years. These random downgrades out of nowhere, guys. I'm telling you right now, I think there was a lot of big money behind this stock, betting on this stock to fail, short interest, and just nonstop, analysts coming out, downgrading this stock, doing favors, stuff like that, guys. There's no reason to downgrade this stock on the first day of the trading year prior to, our earnings, coming our way in 4 weeks. And as you can see, we got hit with negative 3.3% after hours. The market cap is down to 9.2 billion. The company went public at 6.5 billion, had two acquisitions, adding about 2 billion to the market cap. So literally, guys, I mean, we are up basically 1 billion in 3 years. The stock price, of course, has the dilution in there, but overall market cap has moved a billion, just equity value. And here it is, guys. Keefe and Woods downgrade SoFi Technologies to underperform. This is the analyst right here, Michael Perito, and as you guys can see, he is actually a very good analyst. I mean, he's top 300 out of 8,600 analysts. He has a 5-star rating. But guys, look at his price target. His price target, in my personal opinion, is so off. It's insane. I mean, what he's valuing this company at. He's valuing this company $2 billion less, or $1 billion less than what it IPO'd for 3 years ago, guys. I mean, he's given it a 650 price target. And as you guys can see, I mean, this guy covers massive amounts of banks and financials. Look at this. People's Bank Corp, Financial Bank Corp, First International Bank Corp, Valley National Bank Corp, Financial, Meridian Bank. I mean, this guy is covering a lot of legacy companies that I've never ever heard of. So it looks like he's pricing the stock accordingly, just like a legacy bank. I mean, it looks like his summary and his price target had to do with SoFi has run up too hard. But guys, I mean, why are you down 36% on the stock's valuation right now? I mean, 32%. That's absolutely insane. So guys, his price target right now at 650 with the outstanding shares on SoFi is a 6.2 billion market cap, guys. Our revenue this year right around 2.1 billion. So he is putting well, actually, that was last year, 2023. I just forgot. We're going into New Year, but let's just go with last year's revenue of like 2.1 billion. 3 times revenue, guys. We've looked at the data. This is one of the fastest growing, potentially the fastest growing bank in America. 3 times revenue sales, guys. 35% growth. Does that make sense to you? This market cap right here is lower than the IPO valuation. You know what? Let me just pull it up real quick. Let me just pull it up, guys. 6.2 billion. Holy crap, look at that, guys. I was way off. This is the SPAC valuation IPO investor presentation, guys. This is 3+ years ago. Look at this. 8.6 billion. Do you see that? This is what the company was valued at 3 years ago. Sure, it may have been a little bit overvalued, but they've acquired three different companies, tripled revenue. We're going from 8.6 billion, this price target, to 6.2 billion. I mean, does this make sense to you at all, guys? This is absolutely insane. Look at this, guys, on Insider Intelligence. I mean, is he pricing this in? Since 2020, digital banks and fintech share of new accounts grew from 36% to 47%, guys. Almost half of new account openings over the same period, the big brand shares dropped from 24 to 17%. So he's pricing us as a legacy bank, 3 times sales when we're doing the exact opposite, taking market share. Regional banks, this is exactly what this guy is covering. Those shares declined from 27 to 21%. The big movers, Chime, PayPal, scooped up 43% of digital bank fintech account openings and 20% of all new checking accounts opened in 2023. In 2020, Sofi, guys, recognized, accounted for 1% of new account openings, but during the first half of 2023, SoFi's market share quadrupled to 4%. That same year, Wells Fargo share was 8.1%, but so far this year, its share has dropped by more than half to 3.5%. So, guys, we are priced at 3 times sales, but we are gaining more market share among opening accounts than Wells Fargo, a top 4 legacy bank institution. And this guy is pricing us under the SPAC IPO valuation of about 20% plus at 6.5 billion compared to an 8.6 billion market cap, guys. Do you see how crazy this price target is right here? Guys, his price target is 650. I know he's a good analyst, but I think this guy is beyond delusional, or he has some, skin in the game with some other short sellers out there, to make a profit off of, putting some downgrades out there. So his 650 price target compared to, some of our lowest price targets out here, guys, we got a price target of 3, a 9, and a 7. So these two guys are coming up better than that analyst, okay? This BTIG and this Goldman Sachs, both 0-star analysts. So the 0-star analysts are higher than him. This guy, I mean, we're not even going to talk about this one. And another 2-star analyst had 7 higher than him. So look at this. I mean, I think this guy is going to ruin, he's going to take a slap, at least a star, because I think SoFi is really going to take off once they report profitability. I mean, yeah, the stock's run up a little, but does he understand what's coming our way? Profitability, 4 quarters of profitability, gaining more market share than, a Wells Fargo. What is going on right now? These price targets are doubled his at $14 and $15. 2 of our analysts covering SoFi. These are guys I think that have integrity. Truist and Jeffries, 5-star across the board, better ranking than that guy. And the price target has 100% upside, guys. This is just, situations that SoFi has dealt with for so long. I mean, I'm really thinking, because I've been following the stock for so long, I think I've covered about 20 to 30 downgrades, and this is just another one, across the board. Random day, first day of the new year, downgrade, boom. It just doesn't make sense, guys. So you need to take this with a grain of salt, this guy's price target, and understand, yes, the stock may take a hit for the next, 2 trading days or so. But I think this, just gets more sellers out of the stock, where we can have a bigger run up, going into earnings and after earnings, and of course the full year. So I think the story changes once they turn profitable, and you're going to get a lot of big money that's not inside the stock coming into the stock. Finally, after all these years. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. Be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the SoFi news. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.